Welcome to Ink Club. This month it is Harry Potter inspired, so join us for Wizard and Witch Month. This month, as always, all you have to do is download the app. So go to your iPhone, put in Ink Club, and download the app. It's totally free. If you want to become a member, it's only $4.99 a month, and we pack in $50 to $100 worth of Cricut and Silhouette files in each month's bundle. But to top that off, we also add amazing tutorials to show you how we were inspired to use all of the files. So you're gonna wanna join in on this. It is the most amazing membership out there for crafters who love their Cricut and Silhouette machines, and I cannot wait to see you there.